We are now with East Tennessee attorney Jesse Nelson, and he covers things in his practice such as discrimination in the workplace and also overtime issues in the workplace. Let's start with discrimination.
All righty.
Let's say you have someone maybe that thinks they have a case or an issue. What would you recommend for them to start with?
Well, the first thing I would recommend is for them to determine if they even are covered by the discrimination laws.
Okay.
Only certain types of discrimination are legal, other types are not. I can discriminate against people based on a lot of factors. Some of the ones I can't discriminate against someone on are things like race, religion, gender, disability, things of that nature. But also, I would say start with your employee handbook. It's the first place. Oftentimes, it has a procedure that employees are required to follow, and the hope will be that it will alleviate the discrimination. If that doesn't work, begin documenting what you believe is discrimination. Give the employer the opportunity to make it right. Most employers want to do that for their own interest, if nothing else. And then begin documenting this, and if you still don't get any relief, then consult an employment attorney.
Okay. Your website has a lot of great information, and just reading on there before I had the chance to meet you, I noticed that a question many of your clients come to you with is about overtime issues. And just because I might be paid a salary doesn't mean I'm not entitled to overtime pay.
That is true for a lot of people, and that is an issue that is almost decided on a case-by-case basis. We have to look and see, are they properly considered exempt, not just are they a salaried employee. And exempt means, under the law in this circumstance, means exempt from the requirement to receive overtime if they work over 40 hours in a week. And so again, just because you're on a salary doesn't necessarily mean you're exempt, but it doesn't mean you're not exempt.
Right.
That's not the dispositive factor. And so again, we have to look at other factors to determine whether you may still be entitled to receive overtime even if you are on a salary.
And so part of that, again, as you said, is documenting what you think is important, keeping good records, and talking with someone probably like yourself.
Absolutely. If you have questions, call me or another employment attorney, and we'll be happy to help.
Thank you.
Thank you.